G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and here I am back in the pits. And what I've got for you here is the polyester cloth tape. Some people call it race tape or 1,000 mile an hour tape, but it's polyester cloth tape. It's a natural rubber adhesive. It is super strong and it has a 20% elongation or stretch. And you can use it from temperature from -10 upwards. So the polyester tape comes in a 50-metre roll, and there's several colours to choose from. Now it's suitable for just about any surface, so I'm talking masonry, I'm talking timber, metals, glass, plastics. It's safe for all those. It has high initial tack, so it locks onto whatever you are sticking down. Now to tear it off, just pull it out and simply tear it off. It's really that easy and it tears off straight. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and Wurth polyester tape, it's ready for work.